Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a package I got in the mail today. Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane from Diane Mumm Garden Videos. This package is from Crest Gardens. And if you're not familiar with Crest Gardens, they specialize in succulents. And as you know, I love succulents. So we're going to do an unboxing. I got 25 new hardy Sempervivum plants. Okay? So I'm going to bring you in and we're going to go through them all. You're going to be excited. We're going to have all different colors and all different textures and shapes. It's going to be really neat. All right, are you ready? I'm ready. I only opened it this far. I haven't looked inside. I haven't seen anything, but I'm excited to see what I received. You get this really nice little package. These guys are really good at what they do. And look inside, it says. And here it gives me just a little bit on how to care for your succulents. Really neat. Succulent cuttings, winter care, summer care, which succulent is right for you. Very nice. So I received the 2-inch hardy succulent tray, 25 varieties, and they're all supposed to be labeled. Now I may not pronounce these correctly, so I'm just going to say the common name on most of them or just show you what it is. Let's take the peanuts out. These should ship pretty well. They don't need a lot of moisture, as succulents, as you know, they store water in their leaves, and they just do really, really good shipping. Ordered from Crest Gardens before, and I was been very pleased. What I plan to do is make some separate little gardens and get these to grow so I'm able to propagate them. That is my goal anyway. It's so much fun and I can spread them out in the garden. All right, check it out. Here they give you a hardy tray of 25. It gives me all the names. Yes, I'm not going to be able to pronounce these. I can see it already. Let's pull the tray out. Give you a really close-up view. So it goes from 1 to 25. Okay, I'm assuming I start up here where the tag is. Okay, let's go through them. This one is called Sempervivum Bernice, and it's hardy to -30 Fahrenheit. The next one is SPINY, -30. This one's really neat. Check this one out. This one is Sempervivum Thompson. Violet. Dunce Cap. And this one's really nice. Raspberry Ice. This one's going to be a tough one to pronounce, but you can see. Really nice. Summer's Glory. Cherry Glow. Emerald Spring, Coral Reef, Water Lily, Chocolate Sundae. You can see why it's called that. Look at the outer part of the leaves. BOTUSCH, Red Purple, Turquoise Tails, Butterfly. That one's got webbing. Hester. See the babies on those. Henry Corevin. Joan. Black Pearl. Tan. This one is a little tough to pronounce, but you get the idea. Minutum. Alright, there's my collection. What do you guys and gals think? Those of you that love succulents, what do you think? This is a pretty good collection, isn't it? They come in a really nice little tray. So what I need to do now is just put them back in the way they're supposed to be. So that was really neat. So I'm not affiliated with Mountain Crest Gardens, but if you're interested, you can find them online, and I'll have the link in the description area. But they have a lot of neat plants. If you are into succulent garden has gotten really, really popular over the years, and I just love the hens and chicks. That's the ones that I really like. And in another video, I'm going to be showing you my succulent garden. I've been working on it. I've been adding some things to it, and it's just going to be really fun to share with you. So these now will go into, I bought some containers that I'm going to keep them separated so they can spread out and grow their offsets, their chicks, and it's going to be really neat. And when winter comes, I'm probably going to have to find a good place to put them so I can winter them. I'll either put them in the ground or keep them in the pots, put them in a protected area outside, and they should hopefully winter. Okay? Hey everyone, I'm out in my little greenhouse, and I'm going to show you what I did with all my new hens and chicks and sedum. I purchased those little pans. They're basically cat litter pans, but we're going to use them for plants. They're not very deep, maybe 4 inches. And I divided it into 4 sections, and this is where they are going to grow throughout the summer. And as they grow, they'll grow new pups. Some I already took some off. There's already some growing, so I took them off. And you can see all of them. This will be really neat. What I can do with these pans is set them out in my succulent garden for the summer. That might be what I'll do, or I might leave them in the greenhouse. The soil I used is the succulent potty mix that is on another video, and I'll put that on the video right now. This pan here is a little bigger and just a slightly deeper, but I was able to put the rest of them in there, and they all got a little room to grow. But what happens if they outgrow this? Well, then I start cutting them off and I start propagating, right? This is the fun part. This is where you make new plants, because you never know when the original plant's going to die. Okay? So I didn't water these in because I watered them really well when I received them in their little 2-inch pots. So I'm going to let them sit like this for a few days, and then I'm probably going to water them. So this was fun. But you know, as they grow, I will be, like this one right here. It's got some little ones already. I can pull them off. Then the 2-inch pots that they came in, I'll just pot up my own. Okay? So this is going to be really fun. I find this a lot of fun. I might throw some more pea gravel in there and some sand around the plants. I do have drainage holes in here, so there'll be no problems with it draining. So I was wanting to share with you what I done with the plants. Again, this is Mountain Crest Gardens. They send you a neat little booklet on how to care for your succulents. And they also give you 10% off your next order. So that's really cool. If I wanted to get more, I could do so. I think I got 5% off this one. So check out their website if you're into it. Their prices are very reasonable, and I think you'll like what you see. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Sempervivum plants, the hens and chicks, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe to my channel so you will get updated. Make sure you click on that little bell that you'll see on the channel that will give you push notifications to you when I have a new video. So Thanks so much for stopping in today.